seen again.
So here are objects of destruction today. Got a cone, a few plastic pumpkins, real pumpkins, spool, 2 jugs of water, 4 pops, the dresser, the chair. Here's what we're going to be destroying it with. We have a 3-ball flail, a polearm, Spartan sword, broadsword, battle axe, dagger, gator machete, the twins, and a 2-ball flail. And we got a gun over there. Should be pretty entertaining. Forget this chair. Alright guys, we're now going to get the gun out because the flails and weapons have got unentertaining. So I got to move you guys a little ways back because I don't want my phone all wet. This is where we need a shotgun.
I wasn't even aiming, I was just kind of
Point and shoot!
yeah! Pretty cool. Make me shoot the good pumpkin. It's bleeding! Just keep that off that till you're ready to shoot. Point it towards it, and when you're ready, shoot. Oh my gosh! Did you get that on camera? Probably. Oh, you want to do it again? That's You want to do it again?
Yeah.
Hold it like this. Get a good grip on it.
Like this? What is this thing about? That guy told me. I could get used to that.
This is too much fun. Oh, the good pumpkin. You make me shoot the good pumpkin? Oh, yeah. One around. Oh, don't miss. We're gonna look like an idiot. The pumpkin?
I like shit.
No, you're way left. Or right. Is that it? Yeah. Try again. You're going to the right. Aim left.
Hit me with pumpkin, Grandma. Give me my sword back. We're definitely not Demolition Ranch. Woo!
You want to kill yourself?
No, that was just like the cleanest fucking cut in the world. Hanging on just by threads.
Ah! Yeah, all over.
I'm just gonna be covered in pumpkin all day.
That was pretty fucking impressive. Now slice it straight down. That was pretty impressive. I didn't think that was gonna work because there's no weight on it now. What do you want to do this one?
You seem pretty satisfied with watching a blade go through it.
I want to try with a blade though. Let's see if I can be that cool. What do you want to do? Use?
Where's the other half of this?
That was fucking awesome. It's like bleeding out.
hang on. Before we start this, my battery's gonna die in this one, so let me switch my battery.
God damn it! So pissed.
I am so beyond fucking irritated.
My grandma's got an old school recorder, but it actually goes on a DVD.
Like I said, if I don't have any footage of that dresser, I'm gonna be pissed. Yeah, is that how you want to start trimming the yard?
Works, don't it? I know. Oh man,
Got the top clean off.
trying to get it actually cut in half. It's almost fucking head.
Well, damn! That worked a hell of a lot better than I thought it was going to. I love you.
Testing. 1, 2. There, I fixed it. See, back to normal. Ooh, there we go. Yeah.
Here, let me clean that up for you.
Ooh, I even cut the stalk in half. Okay.
What's a diced pumpkin?
Pumpkin pie. You won't know until you plug it in tonight, will you? What size gigabyte did you get?
That one isn't mine, that's the GoPro, that's McKeon's.
Fuck that GoPro. 4K one's better.
Ugh!
Now I was fucking around. I don't want to record this. That was pretty fucking impressive. Now slice it straight down. That was pretty impressive. I didn't think that was gonna work because there's no weight on it now. That was fucking awesome. it's like bleeding out. It's like oh,
Woo! It's gonna be sticky as shit.
well, I want to.
So guys, we just got done with a whole bunch of destruction, and Marie called and he lost all of your footage of us destroying that dresser. I am very, very disappointed about that, but it's all destroyed now. Hang on, let me hide behind the motor.
It's loud as fuck.
Oh yeah.
That's it. Clear.
We actually go through?
Yeah.
I don't know, some of them didn't go through. Oh, maybe not. Nope, that one didn't go through.
Wait, is this a bullet?
That's a bullet. Sure, we probably blew up my phone mic.
That was loud as shit, dude. Because that made it so much louder.
Alright guys, so we just saw that chair. We have a bullet lodged. And we found some of our other ones. So hopefully
We have something good to show.
Hopefully that makes you feel better for me missing all of the destruction of this. Girlfriend called, stopped the phone. One GoPro was full, and the other GoPro wasn't being used. I'm so mad about this right now.
Really? How you feel? Let it out, Maverick. Let it out. Let your anger out. Get it. Get some. Let it out. Let your anger out. And now we gotta fix all this. That's your foot. Done? You good? That ain't coming out. Is that the end? Yeah?
Still pissed off about that.
You know, there's nails and everything in this. You get it, you're pissed off. Did you get it? I couldn't get it out. Maybe it's because you're so fucking angry you got it out.
Hey guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button for me. And you can find me on Facebook underneath The Forsaken.
Let me get my kick it on. Rock your head to the beat, yeah. Everybody rockin', understand what I said. Rock your head.